Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this tool shelf, garage wall shelf, and all the specs on it. Assembly time is roughly 5 to 10 minutes. All these different pieces, minus the tools, come together pretty easily. All the nuts and bolts, screwdriver, all the stuff that's in there to kind of assemble it is all with it. So that was kind of nice. Size-wise, in this example, with this layout, it's roughly 35 inches. So 35 inches right out to the side mount piece over to here. Now the main piece here is roughly 31 and a half inches. So 31 and a half inches left to right. And then the total height on it is right at about 14 inches. And so right to the tippity top to here. This is all, looks to be like, it's like an aluminum, I would say. No, I don't know. It might be like a lightweight steel. It's lightweight, but it's heavy duty, if that makes sense. You have these two shelves here. I think they comes in a couple different colors, maybe red or maybe something else. But this yellow one is this example, is sort of a yellowish type color. And that looks to be all powder coated, so it doesn't look like something that would rust. This literally just installed this, but based on the material and the coating and everything, I don't think there's anything on here that could rust, you know, so if it was in an outside or garage environment, I think it's good to go. Definitely very durable. I mean, it's once it's bolted, I mean, this thing is pretty solid. These are pretty heavy weights here on the bottom section. So on the side here, this bracket right here kind of allows for like screwdrivers or things that have like holes that make it easy to kind of fit and organize. This is just put in here from an example standpoint, but very nice and neat and convenient. Then you have some additional options here that can go on to kind of hold, you know, like these things. And these come off. These are in here. This is optional. You don't need to have this on, or you can put it on the opposite side. Just in this example, wanted to put everything on the left side, you know. So then you have here, you have a space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things such as hammers and whatnot to kind of hang. The total depth from the wall out is right at about 9 inches. And really the usable depth of these is about 7 inches from the back right before the lip up here, about 7 inches worth of hanging space. You get a whole bunch of these additional brackets that can be used if you wanted to hang something like this. Just for this example, I just did not have these on here, but you get a whole bunch of these. And they can go on either side. They can go on the left side or the right side. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give us an honest review. Assembly time, how well it's constructed, powder coated, doesn't look like it's even gonna have the chance of rusting. Very well made. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have. We'll talk to you soon.